Tell.
Natural products in drug discovery. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of natural products and their crucial role in drug discovery. From ancient remedies to cutting-edge pharmaceuticals, nature has always been a treasure trove of medicinal compounds. So, let's explore how these natural wonders are shaping modern medicine. First off, what exactly are natural products? Well, they are chemical compounds produced by living organisms, often with unique structures and biological activities. These compounds can be classified into two main categories: primary metabolites, which are essential for growth and reproduction, and secondary metabolites, which often play a role in defense against predators and diseases. Now, secondary metabolites are where the magic happens. They include a wide range of compounds, such as alkaloids, terpenoids, and flavonoids, and they have been used in traditional medicine systems for thousands of years. Let's take a quick trip back in time. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Chinese, documented the medicinal uses of plants. For instance, the Ebers Papyrus from 1500 BCE lists over 700 plant-derived medicines. Fast forward to the Greeks and Romans, and we see figures like Dioscorides, who wrote De Materia Medica, a comprehensive guide on herbal medicine that was used for over 1,500 years. These historical insights remind us that the quest for healing has always been intertwined with nature. But how do we translate these ancient practices into modern medicine? In recent years, scientists have turned to natural products for inspiration in drug development. For example, the cancer drug paclitaxel, derived from the bark of the Pacific yew tree, has revolutionized cancer treatment. Similarly, compounds from marine organisms, like the bryostatin from the Bugula naratina, are being explored for their potential anti-cancer properties. And it doesn't stop there. Venoms from creatures like the black mamba and cone snails have led to the development of new painkillers and treatments for conditions like hypertension. For instance, ziconotide, derived from cone snail venom, is a powerful pain reliever that works differently than traditional opioids. Microorganisms also play a pivotal role in drug discovery. The discovery of penicillin from the Penicillium fungus marked the beginning of the antibiotic era. Since then, many antibiotics, immunosuppressants, and even cholesterol-lowering agents have been derived from various microbial sources. Isn't it amazing how these tiny organisms can lead to life-saving medications? But there's a catch. With the increasing demand for new drugs, we must also focus on preserving biodiversity. Many of these valuable resources are at risk due to habitat destruction and climate change. Looking ahead, the future of drug discovery seems bright. Advances in genetic techniques are allowing scientists to explore the biosynthetic capabilities of microbes and marine organisms like never before. This means we could uncover even more novel compounds that could lead to groundbreaking therapies. So, whether it's through the isolation of new compounds or the synthesis of existing ones, natural products will continue to be a vital source of inspiration for drug discovery. And as we learn more about these incredible compounds, we can harness their potential to improve health outcomes worldwide. Now let's focus on the classes and functions of metabolites. You might be wondering, what exactly are metabolites? Well, they're essentially the chemical compounds that living organisms produce during their metabolic processes. And these metabolites can be classified into two main categories: primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. Let's break these down. First up, we have primary metabolites. These are the essential compounds that play a crucial role in the growth and development of an organism. Think of them as the building blocks of life. They are involved in vital processes like nutrient assimilation, energy production, and cellular growth. Some common examples of primary metabolites include amino acids, the building blocks of proteins; nucleotides, which make up our DNA and RNA; carbohydrates, like glucose, which provide energy; lipids, essential for cell membranes. Now, if an organism were to lose these primary metabolites, it would face severe consequences, including death. They are absolutely critical for survival. Now, let's move on to secondary metabolites. Unlike primary metabolites, secondary metabolites are not directly involved in the normal growth, development, or reproduction of an organism. Instead, they serve more specialized functions, often providing advantages in interactions with other organisms. Secondary metabolites can be grouped into several categories, and they often have fascinating roles. For example, alkaloids like caffeine and morphine, which can have psychoactive effects. Terpenoids, found in essential oils, these compounds can attract pollinators or repel herbivores. Phenolics, which often have antioxidant properties and can protect plants from pathogens. Interestingly, many of these secondary metabolites have significant medicinal properties. For instance, streptomycin, an important antibiotic, is derived from the bacterium Streptomyces. This is a perfect example of how secondary metabolites can be harnessed for therapeutic use. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important? Well, the exploration of these metabolites has led to the discovery of countless drugs and treatments. In fact, a significant percentage of the pharmaceuticals we use today are derived from natural products, showcasing the immense value of these compounds in drug discovery and development. Next, let's look into the role of traditional medicine and plants in drug discovery, alongside the fascinating contributions of marine organisms. Let's start with traditional medicine. Did you know that for thousands of years, cultures around the world have relied on plants for healing? In fact, the World Health Organization estimated that around 65% of the global population still depends on plant-derived traditional medicines for their primary healthcare needs. That's a staggering number. Plants like Amyvis nigra, known for its bronchodilator properties, and Galega officinalis, used as an antidiabetic, showcase the incredible potential of natural products. One of the most famous examples is Papaver somniferum, the opium poppy, which has been used for centuries to treat hypertension and pain. But how do these plants actually work? Well, they produce secondary metabolites, compounds that aren't directly involved in the plant's growth but have significant effects on other organisms, including humans. These metabolites can have pharmacological properties, making them valuable in drug development. Now, let's shift our focus to the ocean. The world's oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface, and they hold a treasure trove of bioactive compounds. Since the mid-1970s, researchers have discovered thousands of new metabolites from marine organisms. For instance, Echinacea turbinata, a colonial tunicate, has yielded ecdinacidin 743, marketed as Yondelis. This complex alkaloid has been approved for treating soft tissue sarcomas. Isn't that incredible? And it doesn't stop there. Marine sponges have provided us with halocondrin B, a potent anti-cancer agent, while the bryozoan Bugula neratina has given us bryostatin 1, another promising compound. These discoveries highlight the unique chemical diversity found in marine environments, which often leads to compounds not found in terrestrial sources. But why is this important? The urgent need for new pharmaceuticals, especially for diseases like cancer and HIV, drives the exploration of these natural sources. As we face rising resistance to existing drugs, looking to nature for solutions has never been more crucial. In addition to plants and marine organisms, we also have microorganisms to thank. These tiny entities produce a wealth of bioactive metabolites that have shaped modern medicine. From penicillin, discovered by Alexander Fleming, to the immunosuppressive agents derived from fungi, microorganisms are a powerhouse in drug discovery. Looking ahead, advancements in genetic techniques might open new frontiers in natural product discovery. By isolating and expressing biosynthetic pathways, we could unlock even more potential from microbes and their marine hosts. So, whether it's through traditional medicine, marine organisms, or microorganisms, nature continues to be a vital source of novel drug leads. The journey of drug discovery is a testament to the intricate relationship between humans and the natural world. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the role of traditional medicine and marine organisms in drug discovery. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature.
PharmaPal.